Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss the structured scripting approach for writing test scripts. We'll discuss the benefits and drawbacks of this approach and try to identify how it is different than previously discussed approaches such as capture playback and linear scripting approaches. So let's start. The principal concept of structured scripting revolves around creating a more maintainable and reusable automation framework compared to the linear scripting approach, which we have studied in previous videos. So as the name says, it gives test automation engineers the power to create test scripts using structures or scripts available to them from a script library. In linear scripting, each test case has its own code, which cannot be reused in other test cases. That's where structured scripting approach is different. The key feature that distinguishes structured scripting from linear scripting is the introduction of a script library. This library actually contains reusable scripts that perform common sequence of instructions, which can be used across multiple test cases. And these scripts can be called upon by different test cases, reducing redundancy and increasing efficiency. Examples include login functions, navigation steps, and common submissions. Changes to common actions need to be updated only once in the script library, simplifying maintenance. And this reduces the effort required to update multiple test scripts when the SUT changes. In other words, these reusable scripts are specifically created to perform tasks that are frequently required when testing different parts of the system. By creating scripts that interface with the SUT, testers can ensure that these common tasks are executed consistently and efficiently across multiple test cases. Let's say you have an SUT, which is an e-commerce application. Operation of the SUT interfaces might include actions such as logging in, searching for a product, and adding items to a cart. The test automation engineer will write these scripts separately. The first one will be the login script, a script that handles the login process, which can be used in any test case that require login into the system. The second one maybe is the search product script, a script that performs a product search, reusable in test cases where searching for product is needed. Another one, a script that adds a product to the shopping cart, reusable in various test scenarios involving the cart functionality. These are just the examples. So these scripts interface with the SUT by performing operations that interact with the user interface elements like input fields, buttons, or maybe API endpoints of the application. They encapsulate these operations in a way that allows them to be reused across multiple test cases, reducing redundancy and improving maintainability. So when we look at the key benefits or advantages of this approach, we can see that it significantly reduces maintenance changes. I'll tell you the reason why, but before that, please recall that in linear scripting, if there is a GUI change, you have to re-record the whole test case again. But that is not the case with structured scripting. This is because updates are centralized in the script library. Whenever there is a change in the system, you can make modifications in one place and all related test scripts will be automatically updated. This centralization minimizes the risk of inconsistencies and errors. Secondly, there's a lower cost of automating new test cases. Since new test cases can utilize existing scripts, there's no need to create everything from scratch. This results in significant savings in both time and effort. Another benefit is that structured scripting enhances reusability. Scripts are designed to be reusable across multiple test scenarios. Common actions like logging in or navigating through the application are encapsulated in reusable modules. Another major benefit is increased efficiency. Subsequent tests require less effort to automate because you can quickly integrate reusable scripts. This allows for faster development and execution of your test. And lastly, scalability. With structured scripting, you can automate more tests without a proportional increase in the number of scripts. This approach supports large-scale test automation projects effectively. Now, let's discuss some of the cons of structured scripting. One of the main disadvantages is the initial effort and investment. Setting up a shared script library requires a significant amount of initial effort and resources. However, this investment usually pays off in the long run if approached properly. Another drawback is the need of programming skills. Unlike simple recording approaches, structured scripting requires technical expertise to develop and maintain these scripts. This means that your team will need skilled programmers who can write and manage these scripts effectively. Additionally, managing the script library can be challenging. The script library must be well organized and documented to ensure scripts are easily accessible and reusable. Effective management is crucial, and a sensible naming convention is essential to help technical analysts to quickly find the required test scripts. In summary, when structured scripting offers significant benefits as reduced maintenance, lower cost, enhanced reusability, increased efficiency, and stability, it also comes with challenges. The initial setup requires substantial effort and investment, programming skills are a must, and the script library needs to be well managed. This concludes our discussion about the structured scripting approach for automating test cases. In the next video, we'll talk about the data-driven scripting approach. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.